but from what I can see from the air, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. There we go. There we go. I think the other young fella's still here. No? That's okay. I think they've done pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Got the cross braces on. Hey, look, there's something on the pad now. They've got they've got them bolted down. Oh, I've got temporary cross braces in. That's okay. Oh, I've got to tell them tomorrow where I want the windows. Well, maybe I can have the windows there. Maybe I have to have them where I thought I was going to have them. Shit, better tell them in the morning, I suppose. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, liking that. Let's go and put some fuel in this thing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.